This video will show you how to create a three-dimensional shape in Fusion 360 from either a sketch or a 2D face like this one here. If you need to know how to create a sketch and you're not sure, please go back to my previous video, how to create a sketch. Okay, to do the extrusion, we go Create, Extrude, and then we need to select which sketch we need to extrude. So I'm going to choose this one here. An arrow will appear and we can bring that up, or we can type in a value here, how far we want that extrusion to go. I'm going to choose 50 millimeters, and then it's just a matter of hitting OK. Alternatively, we can create extrusions from 2D faces. So again, choose Extrude from the Create menu, and I'm going to select this face here. I can make it go up, or we can also subtract with an extrusion. To give you another demonstration of this, allow me to create a sketch. So create sketch. And this time I'm going to do a circle on the corner of this cube. Stop sketch. Create extrude. Now lift it up. You'll see that it defaults to a cut where it's removing material. From the operation dialog box, I can change that to join. So it will join that surface, or I can make it a new body so it's a completely different component. I'm going to choose cut to remove that material. That was how to create an extrusion in Fusion 360. My next video will show you how to create a fillet, which will be the round corners we can see on this model here.